Hi everyone, for today's video, we have another fun game we would like to share. Using the colors of your recycled milk or bottle caps, match this with the color you will be painting your egg cartons. We have painted a variety of patterns and colors on the tray. We started with 2 colors and then added more colors to the patterns to make it more challenging as the game went along. Using masking tape, mark a spot to use as your starting point. To further challenge your child, you can start with the egg carton close to the line and then move it back to lengthen the distance of throwing.
Oh! Try and throw in there.
My turn.
Is it easy?
No.
You gotta try and throw harder.
Hey. How do you go? Oh! That was how
Keep going. You're gonna hard one, Charlie.
Man. Oh! Yeah!
Good job.
No! I told you this is not.
It doesn't look easy. Good job, Charlie. Oh,
Oh man. Oh! I got.
yay!